Hello everyone, I'm in factory a water well drilling rig. If you are interested in water well drilling machine, now you can see our drilling machine. This one is 500 meters drilling machine, and this one is 280 meters drilling machine. If you are interested, please contact me. You can see this one. This one is 500 meters drilling machine, and front leg have the hydraulic. This one is 350 meters drilling machine. We use new motor for the work height. And you can see the details. Air filter of engine, the motor of winch, and the jaw stroke. Stroke drive is 6.6 meters.